Hello friends, welcome back to hairstyling section of my channel Jai Padmajaraj. Today I will show you how to make a front headband braid with ponytail. You can also do this braid with open hair. First brush your hair and take a partition along the ears as shown in the video. Secure your hair with clips on both sides of your head so that it does not mix with the remaining hair. Now tie the remaining hair into a ponytail on the back of your head. Remove both clips on the front side of your hair and brush it as shown in the video. Now take a half-inch strand of hair from the front side near the ear and divide it into 3 strands. Let's call them left, middle and right. Now cross over the left over the middle and right over the left. Now add some hair from the front to the left and cross it over the middle and right over the left. Now keep doing this while adding hair from the front till you reach the other side of your head. Now continue the 3-strand braiding till you reach the tip of your hair. Now take the tip of your hair and wrap it around the ponytail and secure the tip under the ponytail. That's it friends, our hairstyle is done. If you like the video, please share your likes and comments. If you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel at Jai Padma Jai. Thanks for watching.